My beautiful and amazing people, they say he where God don't crown, no man can bring down. A big announcement coming from the Obi of Anioma State. My people, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. What Ipa thought is the end of Regina Daniel has become a very big blessing to her in disguise. My people, make una draw una chair, come closer, make una come hear updates. Everywhere don't burst. Like as we speak right now, they don't call Regina Daniel, the whole of Anioma from Delta North down to Anioma, everybody don't gather. Wetin sup, wetin happen say they don officially crown Regina Daniel, come put crown for her head and at the same time give her the privilege that as from now henceforth, whatever she want to do, any political appointment wey she want, anything, she now have a say. She now have the ear of the Obi and the entire Anioma people. My people, it is good for you to have a good heart. Why una see say people dey gather for Regina Daniel like this? No be because of say they wan mock Ned Nwoko. Una know say some people dey talk and say because of Ned Nwoko no dey with Regina Daniel again, people dey laugh at her, they laugh am, say he don fail election, he don this, he don that. That is not the goal. That is not the main reason why people are happy that Regina Daniel left peacefully and at the same time they pull out support for her in every ramification. The thing is, even when Regina Daniel did for Ipa house, she has been doing giveaway. Out of the one way Ipa give her, make she take chop, and the one way she dey carry herself, use her craft, go do for location set. Because that time when she did for Ipa house, no be every time now she dey go art film for people. Before Ipa go allow her make she go art for anybody, you go need to fill form. You need to fill rules and regulation form, sign agreement, how Regina go take go and how she go take come back. Things and things where you go do. So all those things put together at that time, no be everybody they fit get her on set. So the small one where she manage get, the money where they go pay her, she go carry am enter street, enter market, buy things and things wey she go take surprise people. She even practically said it on one interview that the this movie wey she dey go out for people, she's just only doing them not because of the money but because of the passion she have for it. Because sometimes if producers pay her finish before she leave that particular location set, she might end up spending the money and she will come back home with without 1 naira from the money wey dem pay her and she don do the work. Say she's not doing it because of the money, she's doing it for the passion she have for her work, based on say na inbuilt right from childhood. Now she don dey do and dey go. So automatically it shows that immediately they pay her, she dey carry the money, they go dey do buy things, go give the less privilege. Apart from less privilege, and so she go buy machine, buy farm product, farm machineries, buy so many things, go do giveaway for just to support the people wey be say they really wan do something but they no get one thing or the other to support the process of their work. Imagine when Regina Daniel even talk am during her birthday, if no be say e can't get as e be, na during that time na she can't come out come say in Ned Nwoko's house I am nobody. She said it that is 10/10/2025. So for that reason she dey give out 10 million naira out, each person 1 million, but you go let her know wetin you wan use the money do. If she's moved by the spirit, she go send you 1 million naira, of which people started dropping their video to show that this is what they want to do with 1 million. Which of the celebrity where they do, where they normalize giving, which of the celebrity where they normalize to they give, do giveaway for this country? It had. Regina Daniel is one of them. She's not only supporting her people, she dey support her fans, they support even people wey no be her fans and people wey be her fans. Okay, you can imagine, why wouldn't they love her? That time Ipa go dey use in hand, they calculate money wey im go take, he go say, if I wan spend this money now, e don reach me to marry another wife, oh, e don reach me to give Leila, e don reach me to give this wife. E just dey think about marriage, oh, wife, oh, marriage, oh, wife, oh, Nakademus, oh, side chick o, na all those things na e dey think about. E no know say to build wealth, you need to build wealth through people. Na from how your relationship with people be, how you take dey carry people along, na im dey go take like you. Now even when they talk say Okowa wey beat Ipa for primaries now say im no im carry money run away. They say dat man true, e work for the people of Delta North. He really tried when he was the governor, according to the information that people wey dem dey there. Make una come confirm dis information if it is true, because some people now dey talk say Okowa even try, that the only one wey Ipa do na im people na im still park put for there. The sports university wey Ipa do, na im people na im still park put for the university make dem dey work. So meaning the promise wey im promise people say im go open the university, open factories, employ all the youths, make dem dey busy, let dem no be jobless and be roaming about. At the end of the day, they pack land give am. He did not do anything with that land but to secure it for himself. At the end of the day, people come dey cry, dey come out say my land o, as you no use am o, abeg give me, make we use am farm, use am sustain, use am see front. Na person wey dey alive na im dey find factory work. As you no do the factory again wey you promise, wey make we carry land give you, abeg sir, no vex, give us the money, give us the, if you no wan give us money, we no even want money, just give us the land back, make we dey produce our product, carry go market go sell, make we know the one wey we dey do with our life. Ipa vehemently refused. E no gree o. E say lie lie to lie lie, im no go give. Say e even come out come talk am when Sowore Omoyele dey drag am say dis people land wey you collect up till today o, the case still dey o, there still some still dey for court, they still dey adjourn the case up and down. Say dis people still dey o. E come out come do press release say nothing like that, say e collect that land out of will and he paid for it in full. Then if you paid for the land in full according to you, and you collect am the way you suppose collect am normally, then how come those women that time bin come out come dey cry say you don collect their land by fire by force? At the end of the day, those women till today we no hear about them. According to Omoyele Sowore, he say some of them dey dey for Kirikiri till today. According to Omoyele o, wey make am go court the other day say him and Ned Nwoko case still dey on, based on say im dey fight to release those women from captivity, from the Kirikiri wey im put them. So Ned Nwoko no wan gree, so dem still dey battle the matter. Na so people come dey talk say they even prefer Okowa, based on say Okowa work, the one wey Ipa promise to do, they no see anything till today till tomorrow, make it make sense. Na so they start dey drag am o like I pass my neighbor generator. Say e really make sense as they wan carry this political matter give Regina Daniel so, because una know say one of the interview wey Regina Daniel go, she bin talk am say she like politics well well, but she no wan use her career as an actress play. And also when she come do interview again with Jarvis, the TikTok streamer, she said she's not going to get married again, that she is done. Now people come dey link am together say now is the time for Regina Daniel to fully enter into politics. And this one wey the Obi now come crown Regina Daniel with crown and come carry her put for golden chair, crown her as one of them. Say as from now henceforth, anything wey she wan do, e just be like when God say, I will bless the works of your hands. Whatever you do will be blessed. Wherever you go shall be blessed. Na im be this one so. Say any political seats, position wey Regina Daniel want, in as much as she's coming for it, they are going to support her with their full chest. Unlike Ipa wey they promise am say they will give am ticket to become senator again, like wey make am dey come from PDP come APC, wey make am go relax. Una remember when the chairman of Delta North come out come talk say Ipa, after the primaries wey Ipa come dey cry, dey talk say na dem the chairman, na dem do mago dey turn the result around. When the chairman come out come talk say the last time they saw Ipa was when he came to report Regina Daniel. Say since then they never use their eye see Ipa again. Now he reach for election, he don tear race come. Say na when he come report Regina Daniel, now he remember say dem dey o. After he don report her finish, he go since that time they no see am again. You wey know say you wan come for primaries, you are coming to contest. Are you not supposed to be frequent? Are you not supposed to meet people that matters? Are you not supposed to do one thing or the other, make the people know, talk say you dey with them, but no, they no see you. Na for Regina Daniel case na dey see you. Now see am, e don lose woefully. You dey find who you wan put blame for im head. And dey say na lie o, say na Okowa na im win. Now the people too say they even prefer the Okowa, make im even chop money, because according to, they say im chop money, e carry lot of money. E still dey for news till today till tomorrow say Okowa carry money. Say e better make im carry money than the one wey be say any day wey dem talk, they go carry them, go put them for inside kirikiri. They no go see them again. Most of the farmers say na farmers na dem be. They no get money to go, they go farm small, carry the money, go they give police to bail theirself out. Say they no want am like that. My people, I say the matter, e wear concussion, tie wrapper, they go market. The people in their numbers, they are just so happy as they finally announce, the Obi announced, say Regina Daniel is now their own. Anything at all wey she do now, it is now official. Make them give her the maximum support. Anything according to am, anything at all. Even if she decide now say she won't come as a governor, if it is possible, they go do am based on how she take handle this her carnival wey she just do on 27th of May. So we be say it was a huge success. We be say parents confirm and say according to how she take talk and how e be, children gather finish. Some of them say their children came back with lots of gifts. Some say 2 bags of so many things. Imagine that kind of crowd, the kind of money wey Regina spend to make sure say everything reach those children. Omo, the girl really try. They say if lizard fall on top of tree, come down. If nobody praise am, the lizard go praise himself. By the time we start to shake his head, he show say yes, I am good, I've tried. They say if nobody go celebrate her, we will go celebrate her. The girl really tried. She make sure say she touch everybody. Now they say for her to have pull out those crowd, now that one I even sweet them. Say Asaba, say she really carry Asaba up. Say it makes sense. At least they need to encourage her for the so that next year Children's Day again go wow pass this one. And guess what? Next year own, she's going to get more support than even this one where she just do so. My people, you see this grace, sometimes you might be in a place and you just be caged, you will not know until you leave before you go finally realize. If only Regina Daniel know wetin she dey go find for that marriage, by now, if they count celebrities, thank God she is still a celebrity in her lane. She dey respect herself and people still know her. E get as e go be if to say she no marry this man by now, the level where Regina for reach, even if you see her, you no go fit even talk to her. E get why. But thank God, God has started showing himself, and she's just 24 going to 25. So it never still spoil, it never mega. Some people now from 25 they start life, and Regina Daniel is one of them. A big congratulations to her for being recognized and being appreciated by her people. Almost as women they dance, they happy, they celebrate, they jubilate. Say they are own. They go, say if I don't know wetin e lose. Dis Anioma state wey dey difficult now, wey e dey find am difficult. They say na him and Regina Daniel na him start am, and then those women they were in full support because they wanted Regina Daniel to be their first lady. But because of the way the whole thing happen, Regina is no longer there. Now dem and dem change mouth say they no want any Anioma state again. They don't want to be called Delta North. They don't want to be this. They don't want to be that. Couple be saying go jack another community, come join inside. They say no, it's not allowed. It's a criminal offense. This one, that one. My people, it is just so a good news, a day to remember and a day to celebrate. I say make I come drop am for una, make una hear the update. I remain una humble girl gifted gist, and dey bring una latest. Make una celebrate her for the comment section, guys. Say who God has blessed, no man can curse. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.